So yo guys, in today's video I will be teaching you how to create a menu for restaurants in Canva. So let's go. So you go to your search bar here, you search for your food menu. When you search for food menu, it will bring it up here. This is it. So you click on it. After clicking on it, you will see the portrait menu. Click on that one, so you take it to this place. The next thing, go to your elements straight. So when you go to your, just go to your color. When you go to your color, choose, we are using the 50 10 10. So that's mean dark red we are using. So that's it. That's okay. So the next thing, go to your element and choose your what, and choose your shape you want to use. So we are finding the shape we want to use. This is the shape we want to use. Yes, we are using this. So you change your shape color, put it up here and change the color to what, change the color to white, because we are using white. So you first arrange it up here, arrange it, make sure it is balanced and change it to white. That's it, like that. So after you duplicate it and rotate it backward like this. You see how I'm rotating it? So that's how you are going to be rotating your own too. Make sure it is balanced between it like this. Make sure, rotate it small, make sure it's balanced, make sure it is balanced well, make sure there's no mistake. So I think it's balanced here. The next thing, just go to your color and change it to black. So the next thing, just duplicate it and the second color, change it to red. So we are using this red. So this we are using, just go to your layer and put it behind the black. So it's the black that will show you your top. So now to rotate it, make sure it's bend more than the black, bend it more than the black. So and arrange it. Go to your notch and direct it well. So go to your notch, this is your notch, direct it, make sure it is balanced. I think it's okay like this. Go to the next thing, just go to your text restaurant. So after typing restaurant, go to your fonts. So we are going to be using the font of this. We are using open source. Yes, this, you click on it and increase your font like 56. That is okay like this. So put it on top here. So you're gonna put it on top. Wow, that's good, like that. The next thing, goes use your text and type your food. So we are using the font of Lilita 1, this thing. Click on it. So the next thing, zoom it, increase the font to like 140. So I want to increase it to 140. Yes, this 140. So I'm gonna put it here like this. Wow, that's okay. So the next thing, we are going to just go to your galleries and we are using your logos of our restaurants. This is it here. So delete the first one. So you are using this one, just reduce it, make sure you reduce it like small to not be too big. So Ghana, you just put it here like that. So the next thing, yes, that's it. Go to your note to direct it well. So the next thing, go to your text and type your what? Type your restaurant name. For you, you can use any name you want for your brand. But me, I'm just using it to explain it for someone that you want to design something like this. So that's why I just put a restaurant name. For you, you can use your name, anything, logo you want to use, just put it there. So this is how you're going to do it. And go to your color, change it to red like the first logo that is there, and reduce the size. Wow, I think it's okay. Go to your node to direct leads, make sure it's between the what, the logo that's there. The next thing, go to your gallery and go to your food. This is the food we are going to be using, and remove your background of the food. Make sure it remains only the food and increase it large, small like this. So increase it and put it on top here. Yeah, move it small and go to your node to direct it. Is your node that used to direct it well. So go to your node to direct it well. I think it's okay like this. So go to your element and choose your circle frame. This is not ordinary circle, it's a circle frame. So then you duplicate it. After duplicating it, you put it here, you put the second one here and duplicate it again. You put this third one at the middle, at their middle, between the middle of the words of the two frame beside. So make sure and use your node to direct it, make sure it is rhymed together. So the next thing, we are going to go to your element again, choose your food, you want to put it inside a frame. So put on the first one, click on the second one, put it here, click on the third ones and also put it in the third frame. That is good. So the next thing, just go to your shapes and choose your circles, change the color, cancel the and increase the stroke, cancel the top one, increase the stroke to like 15. Yes, I think it's okay like this, and change the color to white and then put it on top the first one here. Yes, put it like that. Make sure it is rhyme. The next thing, just go to your note directly, make sure it is rhyme with the image frame. So the next thing, duplicate it and put it here too. So put in the second and direct it and go to your layers and put it behind each frames. You see it here, so put it behind it like that. So the next thing, duplicate it for the third one and then make sure you put it on top here. Make sure you direct it well. Go to your node to direct it. Yes, you are going to direct it like this. I think it's okay. So the next thing, just go to your gallery and go for this shape and remove the backgrounds. So remove the background and then reduce the size because it's too big. You are going to reduce the size, reduce it, and then just bring it up small, and then just go to your node to direct it. Make sure it is balanced in that first place and go to your node to direct it well. Make sure it is balanced. Make sure it is balanced like this. So duplicate it and put it to the second one. Make sure it is balanced and duplicate it and like that one small and put it in third place and go to your node to direct it well. Make sure it is between each of them. And the next one, go to your text and type your money you want to be using, dollars. You can put your naira, where 5,000 naira you are selling it, and change the color to white. Make sure, because white used to show in black background, so that's why we are using white for this, so it will be bold. People can see what we are selling and can know the amount of what we are selling. So that's why you're going to do it. Duplicate it again and type your $15, put it here. For your own, you can use any amount you want. 5,000 you are selling your food, 20,000, just put it there. So the next thing, go to your shapes and you are using this zigzag circle shape. That's what they used to call it. So you are going to be putting on top here like this and remove the first inner and increase the stroke. After removing the first inner, increase the stroke. So guys, that's good. Go to your gradient, deep, more than deep. So I think it's okay like that. You think it's okay like this? So the next thing, just go to your element and choose circle. So this is normal circle, and then go to your this thing and remove it and increase only the word stroke. So after removing that one, increase only the stroke and then go to your color. So put it here like this. Yes, that's good. That's, make sure it is behind it. Wow, that's good. Go to your color and go to your gradient and grade it to the wine, dark wine, like the first one you first do. So make sure it's rhyme together. So the next thing, just go to your circle and choose another circle again. So the third circle you are using, you are going to be putting it on top the what, on top all these things. So go to your gradient and grade it. Make sure as we do the first and second one, grade it to like that. And then so just go to your this and click on this. Yes, we are using this. Let's use this is okay, and put it on top of them. See how it look like. It should be good and fantabulous. The next thing, just go to your text and type your thing you'll be using. I'm using gets, so type your gets and then go to your color, change it to white because white used to show on a black, on a red background. So that's why we are using a white, because it will show it, make it to be bold, people can see what you're selling. So just put it here, gets. So the next thing, so type the second thing you want to type, 30%. You, for your own, you can use 50, you can use 100%. So anything, I'm just using to do a video for people that want to learn how to design. So just do it like that and type you and use your font impacts. That's okay for me because it will look fine on it, and reduce the size to like reduce to like 39 size. Yours okay, and put it on top here. The next thing, go to your text and type the next thing you have to type. So and type it. So after typing it, we are typing discount. So get 30% discount. Yeah, well, that's good. So reduce the size. Make sure you reduce the size first. So let's reduce this file and use your Canva sans. So the next thing, reduce the size, reduce, yes, and then put it here. Make sure it is between, and go to your nudge. It's your nudge that you use to direct it well. When something is not directing, your nudge will help you direct it well and perfect. The next thing, go to your nudge to direct it. Make sure it is balanced. Yes, that's good. Next thing, go to your text again and type the third one you want to be putting there. So the third one we are going to be using is what is on your first order. That means get your 30% discount on your first order. So you reduce the size. Make sure you reduce it because of the circle it's really small, so you need to reduce your text. So that's good. Now the next thing, just type your delicious food service. So the food service we are going to be using, enlight it. Make sure you enlight that one in that place, and what, use the color of red and enlight the delicious, and use white for that too. Yes, that's okay. And the next thing, just click on it, and then make sure you reduce the size beside. So make sure and reduce it a little. Go to your font size and reduce it a little. Make sure it is and put it in the middle like that. I think it's okay. The next thing, goes to your text again and type what you want to type. Anytime you can use, but me, I know what I'm going to use. I'm going to be using this for my own. So you can type anything you want to type, anything you want to say under your food we are selling. You can write it here. That's good. That's okay. But for me, I'm going with this. So just size to like a 10. Font 10. I think this font 10 is okay. And go to your put it side. You can put it your own on middle sides beside like this. So my own is okay like this. Next, I'm going to my element. I'm going to choosing the food. I'm going to use it for the background. So that one will be big. So I need to be enlarged. I need to enlarge it to be big. So after enlarging it, go to your layers and put it down behind this white down here, and click on it. That's okay. And go to your transparent and reduce your transparency to like 12. Wow, it's okay like this. Wow, that's good. The next thing, go to your element and choose the shape we are using for the order now. So increase it, make sure it is increasing. So increases very well, and then direct it, make sure it is good and perfect. So make sure increase it, make sure it's not too wide and it's not too tiny. So go to your color and use white. We are using white for this. So the next thing, just go to your layers and put it behind all those shape you are forced to do. So put it behind this red and black color. This, yes, it's good like that. For the next thing we are just going through is the what. Just go to your text and type your order now. So type it order now. So that's good. And we are going to be using the color of red because it will be showing on the white background very well. So we are using red. So just reduce the size. Make sure you reduce it because it's too big. We need to reduce it small. I think it's okay like that. The next thing, go to your text again. So you click on your text again, and you'll be typing your number, the number you are using. You can type it, but for example, I will just be using random number 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'll just use random number. Yes, for your own, you can put your own number you are using so that they will call you. I want to buy this thing, you know. As for me, I'm just using to teach people how to know how to design. So just put it beside here and go to your element to search for your phone calls logo. This is the phone calls logo, and reduce it. So people, that this for calling, they will know that it's for calling. The logo phone call, they will know that it's for calling, so they will know. So that is good for you, and change the color to red, and that is perfect. I think that's perfect. The next thing, just go to your save video and save your what, save your image, and wait for it. Let's save our image. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is how to create a what, restaurant food flyers. So don't forget to like, comment. Thanks you. Bye. Masha Allah. Assalamu alaikum.